Hello, it's Ethan Ives with the 417realestate.com team, and welcome to 711 South Eagle Street, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with just over 1,200 square feet in the quiet Southeast Hills subdivision. Built in 1987 and sporting a brand new roof installed before closing, this single-story home features low-maintenance vinyl plank flooring running through the living, dining, hallway, and primary bedroom, making cleanup a breeze. The kitchen flows into the dining area for easy weekend meals, and all appliances stay. You're only a few minutes to Highway 65 or 160, placing Springfield, Ozark, and Branson within easy reach, all in the highly rated Nixa School District. Step outside to a .22 acre lot that backs up to a peaceful 19-acre field. No homes directly behind you. A 15 by 11 portable shed with electricity is ready for hobbies or extra storage, and a raised garden is already in place for summer produce. The side entry 2-car garage keeps the front facade clean and adds extra driveway space. Give us a call at 417-860-4670 or visit us online at 417realestate.com to schedule a show.